Today, I'm going to be showing you my Sears 1999 ceiling fan. Right now, I got a 23 watt CFL in there. I hope Jordan you watches this video and enjoys it. Right now, I cannot leave it on high because it violently shakes. I'll turn it on for a short time. Here's so you can see here, I have to leave it on the lowest setting because I do not want this to fall down and cause any problems. As you can see there, you probably saw that violent shake there. Just boost you up a little bit. Now we'll do the spin down. See if you can see that, what it looks like there. See there? That's what it looks like. Okay, now we're gonna do the spin down. I hope you guys like this video, man. Ooh. Here we go. Now it's spinning down. There you go. You probably saw the violent shake on there. Whew. That's why I never turn this fan on. Probably use the blades. I don't know. Man, whew. I had to turn that off quick. It was violent shaking. Now it's not. Just enjoy the spin down. Enjoy the spin down. Yeah. It has brass on there. It's not a really good fan. It's a 5-blade fan. But man, the blades are bent. That could be the reason why it violently shaked. As you can see there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Ooh, one shaker.